Hi guys. So today I'm back with a new video. I'm gonna test out the new update for the fishing update for YEEPS. So you got everything new that you're gonna see. Okay. So first we're gonna check out the new pack. Looks cool. It's like a robo. I think this is a reskin for the sled, and then we got the glasses and stuff. Looks pretty cool. Okay. So now we're gonna check out the real new map that there is. So let's go and check out. Okay, so from the looks of it, there's a lot of water here, so it's like a beach map. There's boats, two boats, and there's three sky or hot air balloons. So yeah, and let's check out the tech web. Come on, guys, check out the tech web. So, let's see. Oh, for the tech web, we have first a fishing rod, then a fish bucket, then a wooden fishing rod, and then of course the pro, which I don't have yet, but I'm getting soon. Yeah. Now let's go check out the fishing update. Let me take out my rod. And this. Okay. Wait, let's go check out one thing, guys. Look at the bait. Okay, so we got magnetic bait, which is 200 silver beans. You got wormy bait, which is 200 also. Fishy bait, which is now 300. And then jelly bait, that's 5. So, yeah. And then here, I think you could sell the fish. You could sell the fish you get for butt coins. That's cool. But yeah, you could put you could put these for beans, rocks for 2, these for 20. They're pretty easy to get, so yeah. And then we got this. Catch every non-legendary in a sea dragonfish bucket. To trade for a legendary fish crab. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Let's see who gets this. I know some people are gonna get it. So yeah, let's start fish. First, we're gonna use the jelly bait, most expensive. Worst for last. Let's go. Okay, fishing. Gotta wait a little bit. Taking a little long. It's okay. Wait. Oh, we got one. Fish. A little slow. And yeah, so I'm a lab rat, so I tested this update, so I know when you have to go when you do this. So yeah, I tested this update, and yeah, so let's try another to catch another one. Now we're gonna go do it differently. Ooh, glowing red. Cool. And now we try out fishy bait. What is it? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, come on, fish bucket. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, we got a thick jaw perch. Okay, waiting. One more fish with this. I'm gonna get a new bait. Okay, we got another thick jaw perch. Okay, next bait, a wormy bait. I think this is a really good one. A lot of people use worms in real life to fish. You know, let's try a new place. Let's try over here now. Take a little bit. Okay. Okay, we got that. Let's try another one. By the way, I know the bait isn't there after one catch, so yeah. I'm just catching 2 times for each bait. So I think the one that's coming is the last one. Sure. Oh, this is a big one. Whoa! This is giant. 102 pounds. Oh my god, I can sell that. Okay, wait, I forgot. Last bait, magnet bait. Okay, magnet base. Wait, gotta. No. Ah. Okay, finally. See if this works better. Oh, got it. Magnet. What is this? 4-point gemstone. It's cool. Okay, one more. My friends so close. Can I put them here? Nobody really. What the? It matches really good with this. I mean, this doesn't work. I gotta put it more further. Fill in. Now let's go. I like to do this. Like, wait. Now let's check out my fish. Oh, wait. Got one. Oh no. Yes. Got a purple soft belly. Alright, let's check out my fish. So I got one. I don't know what this is. I think this is a dauber. I got one of these. Really cool. I got this. 2 of these, actually. Okay. And I got 2 of these. And then finally I got this. Let's go sell our fish for some beans and butt coins. Let's see. Is this fish? Yes. Okay. Okay. But yeah, that's the update. But there's food here. You know. Okay. So there's food here. So let's look. You can get fish, certain fish, and get food. But yeah, you get fish for this. My friend here, Mr. Carrot. Let's go over here. So I think that's some of the update. Yeah, the Nathan fish. How about that? The coolest fish of all time. And then over here, there's the station, so you can make items. This is actually a really cool update. I like this update. It will be a lot. So yeah, it's the end. I hope you guys like this video. Comment, subscribe, do whatever. Support this, because I'm still not taking Pug out of my basement. If you guys don't get me to 100 subscribers, you're not getting out of my basement. Pug, you're staying in there forever until I get 100 subscribers. So, goodbye.